Looking for the perfect kitchen companion? The best blender for smoothies blends power and precision effortlessly. Whether it's creamy fruit blends or nutritious green mixes, this blender makes every sip smooth and delicious. Get ready to elevate your smoothie game. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Blender for Smoothies. The Ninja Blender for Smoothies offers powerful blending performance in a compact design, making it ideal for quick, single-serve creations. Equipped with a 700-watt push-to-blend motor base, it easily powers through fruits, vegetables, and ice, functioning as a smoothie blender, milkshake maker, and even a portable juicer. Its nutrient extraction capability ensures that you get the most out of your produce, blending even the parts often discarded to create vitamin-rich drinks. Frozen blending is another strong suit, effortlessly crushing ice and frozen ingredients into smooth, resort-style beverages. The compact size makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen counter, while its straightforward controls ensure ease of use for all skill levels. On-the-go convenience is a standout. Simply blend directly in the included 16-ounce single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and you're ready to take your drink anywhere. Cleanup is hassle-free, as all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. For inspiration, the package includes a 50-recipe guide covering smoothies, shakes, sauces, and more. Included in the box are the 700-watt motor base, blade assembly, 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups, 2 spout lids, and the recipe guide providing everything you need to start blending right away. This model's combination of portability, simplicity, and reliable performance makes it an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals and busy lifestyles. Whether you're preparing a post-workout shake, a morning smoothie, or a frozen treat, the Ninja Blender for Smoothies is designed to deliver consistently smooth, nutrient-packed results while fitting seamlessly into your daily routine. Number 2. Ninja 1000W Blender for Smoothies. The Ninja 1000W Blender for Smoothies brings professional-grade blending power to your kitchen with a robust 1000-watt motor capable of tackling ice, frozen fruit, and the toughest ingredients. Its XL 72-ounce professional pitcher, 64-ounce max liquid capacity, is perfect for creating large batches of smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks for the entire family. The standout feature is Ninja's total crushing technology, which uses powerful, stacked blades to pulverize ingredients in seconds, delivering smooth, consistent textures every time. Ice crushing is particularly impressive, transforming cubes into snow-like ice in moments, ideal for resort-style frozen beverages. The blender's straightforward design makes it easy to use, and the included recipe guide provides inspiration for both drinks and dishes, from creamy smoothies to savory sauces. Cleanup is just as simple, with the BPA-free pitcher being dishwasher-safe for added convenience. This corded electric blender delivers steady, reliable performance, operating at 12.5 amps for optimal blending power. Whether you're meal prepping, hosting gatherings, or simply making your morning smoothie, the Ninja 1000W Professional Blender handles large and small tasks with ease. It's built for both performance and practicality, offering high power without unnecessary complexity. Included with the blender are the 1000-watt motor base and the 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a secure lid, giving you everything you need to blend for a crowd. Number 3. Ninja 1500W Blender for Smoothies. The Ninja 1500W Blender for Smoothies delivers commercial-level performance with its powerful 1500-watt, 2-horsepower motor, easily crushing ice, blending frozen fruit, and tackling even the toughest ingredients. Its XL 72-ounce pitcher, 64-ounce max liquid capacity, is equipped with total crushing blades, producing snow-like ice in seconds, perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, and large batch recipes. For on-the-go convenience, the set includes 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with to-go lids, making it easy to blend single servings directly in the cup. Versatility is a key strength, thanks to the included 8-cup food processor bowl with both chopping and dough blades, capable of evenly chopping vegetables, pureeing sauces, and mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. 4 distinct functions, blend, mix, crush, and single serve, allow you to tailor performance to each recipe, while the Ninja Blade system ensures optimal results with 4 specialized blade types for different tasks. Whether making smoothie bowls, kneading dough, or creating frozen treats, this system offers all-in-one convenience for the home chef. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup fast and simple. The package includes the 1,500 watt motor base, 72-ounce pitcher, 2 Nutri-Ninja cups with lids, food processor bowl, chopping blade, and dough blade, offering a complete kitchen blending and processing solution. This model is perfect for households that need both power and versatility, capable of handling daily smoothie making as well as more advanced culinary creations. With its robust motor, large capacity, and multiple attachments, the Ninja 1500W system is a powerhouse for blending, processing, and meal prep. Number 4. Ninja BN701 Blender for Smoothies. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ combines sleek modern design with upgraded performance, offering 1,400 peak watts of blending power, more than the original Ninja Professional model. Its total crushing blades effortlessly crush ice into fine snow and blend frozen ingredients into creamy, consistent smoothies and frozen drinks. With 3 preset Auto IQ programs, smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, you can create perfectly blended recipes with the touch of a button. Auto IQ technology uses time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to do the work for you, removing the guesswork from blending. The XL 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, 64-ounce max liquid capacity, makes it ideal for preparing large batches for family gatherings or parties. A 15-recipe inspiration guide is included to help you explore a variety of drinks and desserts. The design emphasizes user convenience, with the BPA-free pitcher and stacked blade assembly being dishwasher safe for quick, easy cleanup. The package includes the 1,400 peak watt motor base, pitcher, stacked blade assembly, lid, recipe inspiration guide, instruction booklet, and quick start guide. Perfect for both casual users and dedicated smoothie enthusiasts, the BN701 delivers exceptional blending performance with minimal effort. Whether you're crushing ice for cocktails, making thick milkshakes, or preparing frozen desserts, this blender consistently delivers smooth, professional quality results. Its combination of high power, intelligent presets, and large capacity make it a top pick for anyone looking to upgrade their blending experience with a model that's powerful yet user-friendly. Number 5. Ninja 1200W Blender for Smoothies. The Ninja 1200W Blender is a versatile 2-in-1 appliance designed for both nutrient extraction and thick smoothie bowl making. Powered by a 1,200 peak watt motor with smart torque technology, it handles heavy loads without stalling or requiring manual stirring. The 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker, equipped with a built-in tamper, is perfect for blending thick recipes like smoothie bowls, nut butters, and blender-made ice cream with less liquid for ideal texture. For drinks, the 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup delivers smoother results with better breakdown of fruits and vegetables, ensuring maximum vitamin and nutrient retention. 6 preset Auto IQ programs, blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads, take the guesswork out of blending with automated pulse, blend, and pause patterns. The blender's compact footprint makes it easy to store while still delivering powerful performance. Cleanup is straightforward with dishwasher-safe parts and an easy-to-clean base. This package includes the 1,200 watt motor base, smoothie bowl maker with built-in tamper and nutrient extraction cup, giving you flexibility for both spoonable and drinkable creations. Its smart design combines the functions of 2 blenders into one space-saving unit, making it a great fit for health-focused users who enjoy variety in their daily blends. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.